Kajilla Meghalaya, kalayo pedang ya ka jaka pynmih sboh rep biofertilizer, kaba nyngkong ha kajilla na kabenta ban kentiu ya ka rep karyang hapo kasnong kiem ha Mawphlang East Khasi Hills District. Ya kani ka jaka pynmih sboh, lapli da umindri rangba kajilla u Konrad ke sangma ha kasngi balang, bat ka jingtmu jong kani kalong ban kentiu ha kabayadei bat ka jing pynmih ya ki marep ki bam ai dawai, bat ka jingla ban shalan ya kini ki jaj marep baklem ai dawai. Ha ka jingkeren u Chief Minister, ula ong ba ka jingple ya kani ka jaka pynmih sboh rep kan kershan jer ya ki sen jam balashim da ka sorkar jilla, ban kentiu ya ka rep karyang kaban laj na ka jingpenan kam dawai. U Chief Minister ula ong, kathong jungi kalong ban penslor ya ka rep klem kino ki dawai habaro kawai ka jilla, bat kani ka jingla banwanra ya kani ka jing pynmih sboh rep kadai kawai na ki kam bakongsan. Ka jing pynmih ya ki marep ki baklem ai dawai, ka syong ha ka jing pynmih ya ka sboh, bat kumta lada ngimla ban pinti kena halor ka jingla ban pynmih kat kum ka jingdan kam bat ha ka dor ka babyang, kumju kapor ka badai, baro kini ki jing persang kin long le no ong shu u Chief Minister ka jilla. Nalor kata, ula ong ru ka jingdan kam jong ka jilla ya ka sboh klem dawai kakot hadu arpusan hajar metrik ton, bat namar ka jingrap klem dawai kala nangkio bat nangpur sya ki wei ki benta jong ka jilla, kumtaru lakmi linti ba ka jingdan kam ya kani ka sboh ka nangkio shu. Kumtaru na kalyang u Chief Minister ka jilla, upen pau ka jingkerman ka bas khamba kani ka jaka pynmih sboh kan syem ya ka benta bakongsan bha ha ka ban pendap penbyang ya ka jingdan kam jong ka than bat ka jilla.
So we are here in Kiem village in Mawphlang East Khasi Hills area, and we are here to inaugurate the biofertilizer plant here, and this will be one of the larger plants that we have in the state, and this is basically going in line with the state government's objective of going organic. And hence, if we are not able to provide the organic fertilizers in enough supply at the right price, at the right time, then obviously the entire purpose is defeated. And hence, this biofertilizer plant is absolutely necessary. And as of now, we have a requirement of approximately 25,000 metric tons of biofertilizer in the state as a whole. And obviously the demand will grow as we move along, because we'll have more areas under organic farming that plans to be brought in. And hence this particular plant will to a large extent be able to cater to the need of especially the region, and even to a large extent the state as a whole. And I must congratulate the entire team that has been very instrumental in making this project a success, and we expect the production to start in about immediately, and by a month's time we should be able to start supplying the products, the biofertilizers, through the agriculture department, the IVCS, and the different farmers groups and the district agriculture officials. And hence this is a very big step towards going organic. And as I said, we will keep improving the technology, we will keep expanding it, and we are hopeful that with this particular plant we should be able to really push the mission organic in the state. And once again I congratulate the team, and I wish the team the very best.